In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a hidden line in AutoCAD. Hidden lines are the dashed edges used to represent features that are not directly visible, like holes behind a face or components tucked inside an assembly. Setting them up correctly keeps your drawings readable and professional. We'll do this by creating a dedicated layer with a hidden linetype. So every object you draw on that layer automatically displays with the right dash pattern. Start by opening the Layer Properties Manager. The quickest way is to type LA on your keyboard and press Enter. This brings up the Layers palette, where you manage names, colors, and linetypes for your drawing. Create a new layer and give it a clear name, such as Hidden, so it's easy to spot later. Assign it a color that stands out against your other layers and your background, something you'll recognize at a glance on screen and on printed sheets. Color doesn't affect the dash pattern. It's just there to help you organize and read your drawing. Next, attach a hidden linetype to this layer. In the linetype column, you'll see it set to continuous by default. Click on Continuous. Then click Load to bring in additional patterns. In the list, select Hidden or choose Hidden 2 or Hidden X2 if you prefer a slightly different dash length for readability. Click OK to load it and make sure that Hidden pattern is now assigned to your hidden layer. Now set the hidden layer as the current layer so anything you draw uses those settings automatically. You can do that right in the Layer Properties Manager by highlighting the layer and clicking Set Current. You'll see the layer name appear as the current layer at the top of your screen. With that in place, draw as you normally would. Lines, polylines, and arcs you create while the hidden layer is current will display as dashed hidden lines, following the pattern you selected. Because the linetype is tied to the layer, you won't have to change properties for each object individually, which saves time and ensures consistency across your drawing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.